can't really see me, but I got the hiccups. So when I was a kid, I would play a game where with the hiccups I go, ay, 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 I am the Frito Bendito. Ay, 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 I am the Frito Bendito. I love Frito corn chips, I love them, I do. All but, ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 I am the Frito Bendito. I love Frito corn chips. Ay, ay. Oh my gosh. Alright, there's a video on how to get rid of hiccups, so I'll have it in the description. Happy New Year! And I'm not drunk. Seriously, I'm not drunk. Anyway, I just have the hiccups, that's all. Alright, Happy New Year.